Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto mayo. To begin, you'll need fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese for the pesto base. Don't forget good quality mayonnaise, extra virgin olive oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Having these ingredients prepped and ready makes the entire process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. First, combine your fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, and Parmesan cheese in a food processor. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil until the mixture becomes a smooth paste. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, take about 1 cup of your favorite creamy mayonnaise and place it into a mixing bowl. Add approximately 1/4 cup of your freshly prepared pesto to the mayonnaise. Gently fold the pesto into the mayonnaise using a spatula until it is completely combined and has a uniform green color. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Your homemade pesto mayo is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic spread on sandwiches, wraps, or even as a flavorful topping for burgers. This versatile condiment also makes an excellent dip for fresh vegetables, crispy fries, or chicken tenders. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.